Hey friends, I have a nice story for you today called Hail to Spring. Springtime lightning flashes soars. Springtime thunder rumble roars. Storms bring hail that falls like rain. Rapping, tapping on the pane. Balls of hail fall on the trees. Dashing, crashing through the leaves. Clinking, clinking on the car. Hail is falling near and far. Shimmering, glimmering in the street. Hail is dancing at our feet. Sunshine melts and hail away. We all run outside to play. Time to laugh, time to sing, time to say, Hail to spring! And on the last page, it shows us how hail forms. Remember we talked about the cumulonimbus cloud? That one sometimes can make hail. You guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the story. Have a good one. Bye-bye.